Alright guys, so this is part 2 on how to replace the belts on this awesome boombox. This is the JVC M70. Alright, and I was trying to remember what screws to remove. But for the cassette deck, okay, first of all, I'm gonna tell you, this thing for the tuner, don't move it, alright? Just keep it like that, because this thing, this square right here, it goes inserted into the front frame, so it moves the indicator, alright? So just keep it like that, don't move it. Wherever you left it on, just keep it like that. And then I sanded these spindles right here, the idle tires. As you can see, it's 3 of them. This one, and this one. With this sandpaper right here. This is the 600. Yeah, just if you have the belt installed, just play the cassette or fast forward the cassette or rewind it, and then just place the sandpaper right here lightly, so it sands the idle tires, just in case they are a little bit slippery, right? And then yeah, so in order to remove the cassette deck, we need to remove 5 screws, all right? This one, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one right here. They're also blue too, so that's how you're gonna know. But first, I don't know if we need to remove this thing. I'm gonna remove the this circuit board first, and then we remove the cassette mechanism. All right. So for this board right here is this one. They're also blue. 2, and from this side, I think is this one, and I might need to remove this one too. We'll see. Okay, so we're gonna remove those first. Remember to take pictures or mark them, because all of these screws are different sizes, all right? Yeah, I think I need to remove this one too. So you're just gonna remove these screws to just slightly move the board this way, so you can pull out the cassette deck. Okay. And it's this one, this blue one. And then is the other blue one right here. we might need to remove these two right here too, okay? So we're gonna do that. Seriously guys, it's been so long since the last time I fixed one of these boom boxes. At some point I had like probably like 5 or 6 of these boom boxes. I think it's 6, counting the one I keep for me. And I have solved them all, okay? Oh, there you go. We don't need to remove this one. So that'll do it. And then we remove the ones for the actual cassette mechanism. Always remove the ones on the bottom, so that way if it falls down or something you can catch it, or it won't because you still have 2 more on top. All right. I think we might need to unplug some of the wires. We'll see. All right, that's 5. All right, as far as I can remember, wait, we also need to unplug these two, I think. You gotta be really careful with the wire, not the wire, but the okay, you need to remove one of the wires on the back. That's why we can remove it from here, and it's this one right here. There you go. Now it's gonna be easier. There you go. All right, we're gonna take this plate out of the way to see why it's why it's making that noise. So this one is got some type of suspension right here. That's in order for you to, I guess, in some way adjust the speed too. As long as you don't get it too tight, it's good, you know. I'm gonna remove this one first. Once you remove this plate, you can always put the screws back in place, just so you don't lose them, or you can remember where they go. This one has a spring on the bottom, all right? Just be careful with that. All right. All right, so in order for me to remove this thing, I need to remove this screw. Actually, all right, I'm gonna try that. Yep, you gotta remove these three. This one, and this one. I heard that sound. Oh, there you go. This is the one that goes on the front. All right, as you can see, is the pulley. See, for some reason this thing just came off. It's supposed to go in there, so I'm just gonna see if I can just keep it in place. That might prevent it to not to be too noisy, and that'll fix the problem. All right, I guess I'm gonna make a third video about this series. All right, and then once I fix that, go see. It's not supposed to do that, but once I fix this, we can always just put it all back together, just the way we took it apart. That's pretty much it. All right, thanks for watching, guys.